Hi, my name is Jeena Cho, and I'm a bankruptcy attorney from San Francisco. I'm also writing a book titled The Anxious Lawyer for the American Bar Association, and I teach mindfulness and meditation to lawyers. And I started practicing mindfulness and meditation because I really wanted to have more tools in my toolbox in terms of being able to manage the stress and anxiety of law practice. And what I found is that as lawyers, we expect to be perfect, which is of course not really possible, and to really just cultivate a sense of compassion towards ourselves and towards our clients. So I do bankruptcy law. So I meet with a lot of clients that are going through a lot of trauma. They're going through some really difficult times, and the mindfulness practice helps me to be compassionate towards them, but not take their problems and go home with it. So when I first started practicing law, I really believe that the only way that I can be a good lawyer is if I subscribe to this mold, which is to be this super aggressive, super domineering person, because the mentors that I had were all older male attorneys. And what I found through my practice is that I can't take their approach to practicing law, that I really have to come up with my own authentic way of practicing law, because my partner was 6'2", white, gray-haired men, and of course, as you can see, I'm a 5'5" Asian woman, and for me to stand in the courtroom pounding my hand on the podium and to raise my voice, it just doesn't work on me. It's like wearing his suit and walking into court. That would look ridiculous. So I really encourage the young attorneys to really find your authentic style, and that's not something that's going to happen overnight. It takes practice. And it takes a lot of introspection. So really looking inside and saying, what type of lawyers do I want to be? What are the values that I truly want to bring into the world? And what's the difference that I want to make in the world? So for me, it's things like bringing compassion and kindness and really showing up as my best self to each situation. And like honey works a lot better than vinegar. So really just kind of approaching your client's situation with that.